Children, this is Miss Villa here. Welcome to Phonics lesson, and today we're going to do Dipthong oo sound. Okay, Dipthong oo sound. Okay, let's look at your textbook on the page of 20. Okay, let's read. Okay, this is the sentence form. Okay, all right. Look, a dog is on the roof. The dog is on the roof, and what is it doing? It is Boone the dog. The name of the dog is Boone. Boone looks at the moon. Boone looks at the moon. What he does to the moon? He says, woof, goes Boone to the dog. See? When he sees the moon, he says, woof. Okay, let's read together again. Look, a dog is on the roof. It is Boone the dog. Boone looks at the moon. Woof goes Boone the dog. Okay, let's look at another picture. Brooke cooks some food on her stove. This is Brooke. She cooks some food on a stove. The food smells good. The food she cooks smells good. Brooke sits on a stool and eats the food with a spoon. Brooke sits on a stool and eats the food with a spoon. Okay, let's read together again. Brooke cooks some food on her stove. The food smells good. Brooke sits on a stool and eats the food with a spoon. Okay, let's look at the next page. Complete the words with the long A sound, the long I sound, the long O sound, the long U sound, or oo sound. Okay, let's fill in the words with these sounds. Okay, let's look at the picture. Okay, let's look at this boy. What is he having in his hand? He have a cube. Cube. So what sound is this? Cube. Cube. So this is a cube. And where is he sitting? He's sitting on a stool. Stool. And what is this? This is a spoon. Yeah, this is a spoon. And what is mommy doing? She's cooking. All right. And what we can see here is a fruit. And what fruit is that? It's a lime. The I sound, lime. Okay. And what other fruits there? It's a grape. It's a grape. And lots of grapes. And what flower is this? It's a rose flower. No, it's a rose. What's the sound? The long sound of rose. This is the rose. So the boy has a cube. And this is the rose flower. This is the grape and a lime. And this boy is sitting on the stool. And there is a spoon on the table. Okay, children, did you get all right? Good. Let's look at your practical book now.